guys, Rupa here with a quick tutorial on how I spontaneously put together this really great charcuterie board using items that I picked up from Trader Joe's. So I was already at Trader Joe's when I decided that I wanted to put together a charcuterie board for a holiday party that we were hosting the next day. So this board was not pre-planned. I did have an idea of about how much space I had on my board, so I decided to wing it. As you can see in this quick video, I picked up some of my favorite cheeses, crackers, and meats, plus a few sweet and salty snacks. One thing I did forget to grab that I would definitely go back and add if I could was fruit. So let me slow it down for you now and go through each of the items that I picked up. Starting with the board itself. I had been browsing Amazon for charcuterie boards for some time, but was not able to find a good sized board with the one feature that I couldn't live without, the raised rim. I find it really helpful in being able to make use of all of the space inside of the board without worrying about overflow. This really great board was a random Target find. Also found these great little inexpensive dip bowls from Target. They were the perfect size and shape to break up my boards and help give me space to include more of a variety of foods. You can find links to this board and these dip bowls in my description. When I'm creating a cheese board, I always start with the cheese blocks a good distance apart from each other, but also strategically close to my dip bowls, and you'll find out why later. Next, I use the space in between my cheeses and my dip bowls to hold my salami in this upright position, which I created by folding the salami in half twice. Then I added some crackers along the outside on both sides of the board. I filled my first dip bowl with these stuffed green olives. If you're not into olives, who doesn't like olives? Another great Trader Joe's option for this space are these cute little baby pickles. In the second dip bowl, I put my candied pecans. If you haven't tried the candied pecans from Trader Joe's, I suggest you grab some immediately. They are so good. Next, I add another variety of crackers in the other two corners of the board. These savory thin mini crackers are gluten-free and completely addicting, so beware. I created this particular board in December, so I picked up these peppermint pretzel slims, which I'm pretty sure are seasonal, but to be totally honest, I only got these because our Trader Joe's was sold out of the regular yogurt pretzels, which are literally my favorite sweet treat from Trader Joe's. Another sweet treat I grabbed were these dark chocolate mint stars. I didn't actually realize these were mint, and I probably would not have chosen them had I been paying more attention, but they ended up being a big hit. So I'm not that big of a meat eater, and I'm actually really not that great at picking out different deli meats for these boards, which is why I really love the deli meat trios at Trader Joe's. The packaging on this one says gourmet deli selection, and it includes salami, prosciutto, and capicola. I filled in a little bit of space around the center with more crackers before adding my all-time favorite cheese from Trader Joe's, the marinated fresh mozzarella balls. These little guys are heavenly. So when my board is complete, I'll go ahead and look around to see if there's any spaces left for me to fill in. And I'll fill those spaces with crackers, fruit, or anything else that's left over. In this case, I added a few more crackers here at the top, and that was it. So here's the final board with all items labeled. Again, these are all products that I purchased from Trader Joe's. Despite the lack of fruit, I was pretty happy with the results given the fact that this board was completely unplanned. But I want to hear from you guys. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. If you made it this far, I hope you've remembered to hit those like and subscribe buttons, and be sure to check back next week for a new video. Thanks for watching!